Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. No matter where you are right now, at home, on the bus, or taking a break, thank you for choosing to learn English with us.
Today, we're going to talk about something really important in English grammar, verb 2 and verb 3.
These are also called the simple past and the past participle.
Don't worry if those terms sound complicated. We're going to make everything super simple and clear.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English in a natural and simple way, please like this episode, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
So first, what are verb 2 and verb 3?
These are different forms of verbs that we use in English.
Verb 2 is the simple past form. We use it to talk about actions that finished in the past.
Verb 3 is the past participle. We use it with helping verbs like have and be.
Let me give you examples to make it clear.
Take the verb go. The base form is go.
Verb 2 is went. Verb 3 is gone.
I went to the store yesterday. That's verb 2, simple past.
I have gone to the store. That's verb 3, past participle with have.
Can you see the difference? Today we'll learn when to use each one and how to form them correctly.
So let's start with verb 2, the simple past.
We use verb 2 to talk about actions that happened and finished in the past.
For example, I walked to school yesterday.
She called me last night.
They visited Paris last year.
He studied English in 2020.
All of these actions are finished. They happened in the past and they're done. Let's practice more. I ate breakfast this morning.
I ate breakfast this morning.
She worked at that company for 5 years.
We watched a movie last weekend.
He lived in Tokyo until 2019.
All using verb 2.
Now let's talk about how to form verb 2.
For regular verbs, verb 2 is just adding ed to the base form.
Walk to walked. Play to played. Cook to cooked.
Work to worked. Watch to watched. Clean to cleaned.
These are easy because they follow a pattern.
But irregular verbs are different. They don't follow the ed pattern.
Go to went. Eat to ate. See to saw.
Buy to bought. Think to thought. Take to took.
These you need to memorize because they're irregular.
Let's practice regular verbs. I played soccer yesterday.
She cooked dinner last night.
We cleaned the house.
They worked hard.
Now irregular verbs. I went to the gym.
She ate sushi.
We saw a beautiful sunset.
They bought a new car.
Can you hear the pattern?
Now let's talk about verb 3, the past participle.
We use verb 3 with helping verbs, especially have, has, and had.
For example, I have finished my homework.
She has eaten dinner.
They have visited Japan.
I had already left when you called.
Notice the helping verb before verb 3.
Have finished, has eaten, have visited, had left.
The verb 3 never stands alone. It always needs a helping verb.
Let's talk about how to form verb 3.
For regular verbs, verb 3 is the same as verb 2. Just add ed.
Walk to walked, play to played, cook to cooked.
So for regular verbs, verb 2 and verb 3 are identical.
I walked, verb 2, and I have walked, verb 3 with have.
Same form, but different usage.
But for irregular verbs, verb 3 can be different from verb 2.
Go to went, verb 2, to gone, verb 3.
Eat to ate, verb 2, to eaten, verb 3.
See to saw, verb 2, to seen, verb 3.
Take to took, verb 2, to taken, verb 3.
These are all different.
That's why irregular verbs are tricky. You need to learn 3 forms.
Let's compare verb 2 and verb 3 directly.
Great idea. Let's use the same verb in both forms.
Verb is eat. Verb 2 is ate. Verb 3 is eaten.
Using verb 2, I ate breakfast this morning.
Using verb 3, I have eaten breakfast already.
Can you feel the difference?
Verb 2 is simple past. It happened at a specific time in the past.
Verb 3 with have is present perfect. It connects the past to now.
Let's try another. Verb is go. Verb 2 is went. Verb 3 is gone.
Using verb 2, she went to Paris last year.
Using verb 3, she has gone to Paris many times.
One more. Verb is see. Verb 2 is saw. Verb 3 is seen.
Using verb 2, we saw that movie yesterday.
Using verb 3, we have seen that movie before.
The usage is completely different.
Let's talk about when to use verb 2.
Yes, verb 2 is used in simple past tense.
We use it when we talk about finished actions at specific times in the past.
Time expressions like yesterday, last week, last year, in 2020, ago.
For example, I visited my grandmother yesterday.
She graduated in 2019.
They moved to New York 3 years ago.
We met last summer.
All finished actions.
Now let's talk about when to use verb 3.
Verb 3 is used in several different tenses and structures.
First, present perfect tense with have or has.
Structure, have, has, plus verb 3.
I have finished my work.
She has visited France.
They have seen that movie.
We have lived here for 5 years.
Present perfect connects the past to the present.
Second, past perfect tense with had.
I had already eaten when she arrived.
They had left before we got there.
She had never seen snow before moving to Canada.
Past perfect shows something happened before another past action.
Third, passive voice with be verbs.
Structure, am, is, are, was, were, plus verb 3.
The book was written by Shakespeare.
English is spoken in many countries.
The house was built in 1950.
The letter has been sent.
All passive voice.
Let's learn some common irregular verbs.
Yes, these are super important to memorize.
Go, went, gone.
I went yesterday. I have gone many times.
Do, did, done.
I did my homework. I have done my homework.
See, saw, seen.
I saw her yesterday. I have seen her before.
Eat, ate, eaten.
I ate lunch. I have eaten already.
Tate, took, taken.
I took the bus. I have taken the bus before.
Give, gave, given.
She gave me a gift. She has given me many gifts.
Write, wrote, written.
He wrote a letter. He has written 3 books.
Break, broke, broken.
I broke the vase. The vase has been broken.
These are very common.
Let's practice more irregular verbs.
Speak, spoke, spoken.
She spoke to me yesterday. I have spoken to her many times.
Drive, drove, driven.
He drove to work. She has driven that route before.
Know, knew, known.
I knew the answer. I have known her for years.
Fly, flew, flown.
We flew to Japan. I have flown many times.
Buy, bought, bought.
Wait, this one is the same for verb 2 and verb 3.
Right, some irregular verbs have the same form for both.
I bought a car. I have bought 3 cars.
Bring, brought, brought. Same pattern.
She brought cookies. She has brought cookies before.
Think, thought, thought. Also the same.
I thought about it. I have thought about it a lot.
These are a bit easier to remember.
Now let's practice with a real conversation.
Great. Let's imagine 2 friends talking about their experiences.
Hey, have you ever been to Italy?
Yes, I have. I went there last summer. It was amazing.
Really? I've always wanted to go. What cities did you visit?
I visited Rome, Florence, and Venice. I had never seen such beautiful architecture before.
That sounds incredible. Did you eat good food?
Oh, yes. I ate the best pasta of my life. I've eaten Italian food many times, but nothing compares to authentic Italian cuisine.
I'm jealous. I've never been to Europe. Have you traveled anywhere else recently?
Actually, I went to Japan in 2022. Have you been there?
No, I haven't, but my sister has gone there twice. She loved it.
I can see why. I saw so many interesting things. The culture is fascinating.
Did you try sushi?
Of course, I had already tried sushi here, but Japanese sushi is different. It's so fresh.
I've heard that. I've eaten sushi many times, but I want to try it in Japan.
You should definitely go. Have you taken any trips this year?
Not yet. I went to Mexico last year, but I haven't traveled anywhere since then.
Mexico is great. I've been there 3 times. Where did you go?
I visited Cancun and Playa del Carmen. I took so many photos.
I bet. I took hundreds of photos when I went. Have you seen the pyramids?
No, I haven't. I had wanted to, but I ran out of time.
That's too bad. Well, you can go back. I've learned that there's always a reason to visit a place again. Did you hear all the verb 2 and verb 3 forms?
Yes, we used verb 2 with specific past times.
I went last summer. I visited Rome. I ate pasta.
And we used verb 3 with have and had.
I have been to Italy. I have eaten sushi. I had never seen.
The conversation sounded completely natural. Let's talk about common mistakes.
Yes, this is really helpful.
One common mistake is using verb 2 instead of verb 3 with have.
Wrong. I have went to the store.
Correct. I have gone to the store. Use verb 3 with have.
Another mistake is using verb 3 without a helping verb.
Wrong. I seen that movie.
Correct. I saw that movie, or I have seen that movie.
Verb 3 needs a helping verb.
Another mistake is confusing irregular verb forms.
Wrong. I ate breakfast.
Correct. I have eaten breakfast. Ate is verb 2, eaten is verb 3.
Another mistake is adding ed to irregular verbs.
Wrong. I goed to school, or I have wented.
Correct. I went to school. I have gone. Irregular verbs don't use ed.
These are the most common mistakes.
Let's practice identifying which form to use.
I'll give you a sentence with a blank. You choose verb 2 or verb 3.
Ready? I blank to Paris last year. Go.
Verb 2. I went to Paris last year. Specific past time.
She has blank 3 books. Write.
Verb 3. She has written 3 books with has.
They blank the movie yesterday. See.
Verb 2. They saw the movie yesterday. Specific time.
We have blanked here for 10 years. Live.
Verb 3. We have lived here for 10 years with have.
He blanked his homework an hour ago. Do.
Verb 2. He did his homework an hour ago. Specific time.
I have never blanked sushi. Eat.
Verb 3. I have never eaten sushi with have.
Perfect.
Let's create a story using both verb 2 and verb 3.
Great idea. I'll tell you about an interesting experience.
Last month, I went on a trip to the mountains. It was something I had wanted to do for years.
I had never been camping before, so I was excited but nervous.
I bought all the equipment I needed. I had already made a checklist to make sure I didn't forget anything.
On the first day, I drove for 3 hours. I had driven on mountain roads before, but never this far.
When I arrived, I set up my tent. It took longer than I expected because I had never done it alone.
That night, I cooked dinner over a campfire. I had brought all the ingredients I needed.
I ate under the stars. I have eaten in many restaurants, but nothing compared to this experience.
The next morning, I woke up early and went hiking. I had seen photos of the trail, but being there was different.
I walked for hours. I took many photos. I had taken my camera specifically for this trip.
At the top, I saw the most beautiful view. I have traveled to many places, but this was special.
On the way down, I met other hikers. We talked and shared stories. I had never met such friendly people.
That evening, I made a fire and reflected on the day. I realized I had learned so much about myself.
The next day, I packed everything and drove home. I was tired, but happy.
Since that trip, I have gone camping 3 more times. It changed my life.
I had thought camping wasn't for me, but I was wrong. Now I have become an outdoor enthusiast.
That story used both verb 2 and verb 3 perfectly.
Yes, verb 2 for specific past actions, verb 3 with had and have for perfect tenses.
This is exactly how native speakers naturally use these verb forms.
Let's practice with different tenses.
Good idea. Simple past. I walked to school.
Present perfect. I have walked to school many times.
Past perfect. I had walked to school before it started raining.
Passive voice. The letter was written yesterday.
All using different verb forms.
Let's try another verb. Simple past. She cooked dinner.
Present perfect. She has cooked dinner already.
Past perfect. She had cooked dinner before we arrived.
Passive voice. Dinner was cooked by my mother.
The pattern is clear.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Try making your own sentences with verb 2 and verb 3.
Use verb 2 to talk about finished past actions with specific times.
Use verb 3 with have, has, or had for perfect tenses.
Write your sentences in the comments. We'd love to see them.
Don't worry about making mistakes. That's how we learn.
Practice with both regular and irregular verbs.
I played soccer yesterday. I have played soccer for 10 years.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Soon, you'll automatically know which verb to use.
Let's do a quick review.
Verb 2 is the simple past form, used for finished past actions.
Regular verbs. Add ed. Walk, walked.
Irregular verbs. Memorize the forms. Go, went.
Verb 3 is the past participle, used with helping verbs.
Regular verbs, same as verb 2, add ed. Walk, walked.
Verb 3, irregular verbs, often different from verb 2, though, gone.
Use verb 2 with specific past time expressions. Yesterday, last week, ago.
Use verb 3 with have and has for present perfect, and had for past perfect, and be for passive voice.
For regular verbs, verb 2 and verb 3 are the same.
For irregular verbs, you need to memorize 3 forms: base, verb 2, and verb 3.
Perfect summary.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
We create new episodes every week to help you learn real, everyday English.
Leave a comment below with your practice sentences.
We love hearing from you and seeing your progress.
Understanding verb 2 and verb 3 is essential for speaking English correctly.
These verb forms are used constantly in daily conversation.
Thanks so much for listening today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.